Welcome dear students. Today we will learn about capacity. Capacity is about how much a container can hold. So for measuring capacity, we are going to specifically talk about liquid. When we measure capacity, we are measuring how much space it takes for liquid to fill it up. For example, how much milk can be poured in the mug. So the total quantity of milk in the jug is more than the quantity of milk that can be poured in the cup. It means capacity of the jug is more than the cup. We use different instruments for measuring capacity. For example, if we have to take a syrup, we will definitely use a measuring spoon. But we have to measure the quantity of milk, then we will definitely use a measuring jug. And if we have to measure the quantity of oil or petrol, or we are going to keep them and export them, so for that we use barrels. But there are certain instruments that are used in laboratory for specific measurement of liquid, especially in small quantities. For example, a burette, a graduated cylinder, a pipette and a volumetric flask. But in our daily life, we can see many examples that shows capacity. For example, if we need milk for our home, we used to buy a packet of milk which is 1 liter. Or if we have to take water for bathing, we used to take 1 bucket full of water. Or if we have to store water for our home and daily use, we use a tank. Different units are there for measuring capacity. It depends on the quantity of liquid that we are going to measure. These are the various units of measuring capacity, starting from the biggest one, that is kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Kiloliter is the biggest unit of measuring capacity and milliliter is the smallest unit. Liter is the standard unit of measuring capacity. Each metric unit gets 10 times bigger when we are going to move towards left, and each metric unit gets 10 times smaller when we are going to move towards right in this table. So if we have to compare them, 1 kiloliter is equals to 10 hectoliter, 1 hectoliter is equals to 10 decaliter, 1 decaliter is equals to 10 liter, 1 liter is equals to 10 deciliter, 1 deciliter is equals to 10 centiliter and 1 centiliter is equals to 10 milliliter. Similarly, we can convert smaller unit to bigger also. So as we have learned in our previous classes, to convert bigger unit into smaller, we are going to multiply, and to convert smaller unit into bigger, we are going to divide. For example, converting milliliter to centiliter, we are going to divide by 10. To convert centiliter to deciliter, we are going to divide by 10 and so on. If we have to convert a bigger unit into smaller, for example, converting liter into milliliter, we can count the number of tens in between them. So there are 3 tens, that makes 1000. It means converting liter to milliliter, we are going to multiply by 1000. Similarly, if we are going to convert milliliter to liter, of course we are going to divide by 1000. The same we have learned in the conversion of length and mass also. So conversion units and their order are similar when we are going to do conversion of length and mass. There is a difference of the standard unit. Like in the length, we have used meters. In mass, we have used grams. And here we are going to use liter, which is the standard unit of measuring capacity. And the order of conversion will remain same. So using this knowledge, let us consider an example. Here we are going to use basic conversion of units, that is kiloliter, liter, centiliter and milliliter. These are the basic conversion that we are going to use in this grade. So we should know that converting kiloliter into liter, we should multiply by 1000. But to convert liter into kiloliter, we are going to divide by 1000. To convert liter into centiliter, we are going to multiply by 100. But to convert centiliter into liter, we are going to divide by 100. To convert centiliter into milliliter, we will multiply by 10. But to convert milliliter to centiliter, we are going to divide by 10. So using this conversion, we are going to do some questions. Here the question is, convert 5 liter into milliliter. As we know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So for converting 5 liter into milliliter, we are going to multiply 5 by 1000. That makes 5000 milliliter. This is the simple way of doing conversion that we have used in the conversion of length and weight also. So children, as you already know the order of conversion, please try to attempt more and more questions from this exercise. Thank you for watching.